Hey guys, so I was
Quiet.
Gianna.
No.
No.
Hey guys, I'm watching my video.
What? So as I was rudely interrupted, my sister was like, "Hey guys, why are you watching videos?" And I was like, "OMG, she's so
Hey
annoying."
guys,
Gianna, no.
I don't want this channel.
Okay. Anyways, I was doodling around with this magic mirror thing. Just doodling around with it, saying questions aloud. And I was asking like future questions, like stuff like that. Kept on saying like question mark, and then I asked it like personal questions, and when it was getting them right, and it shocked me, so I'm gonna see if it gets them right again. So let's do that. Do I have 7 sisters? Oh my god, this is freaking me out because I do have 7 sisters. Do I have 5 brothers? That also freaks me out because I only have 1 brother. Oh god. Okay, am I awesome?
No.
Yeah, I kinda knew that question, but my baby sister said I'm not awesome. God, that hurts my feelings.
I like my, you like it?
Yeah, sure, whatever. Will
No.
will my sister be awesome in the future?
Yeah.
My sister Gianna, I just asked the question. She's like, yes. Yeah, whenever I ask it about something on the future, it says question mark. Let me ask again. Gianna, will I have a lot of money in the future? Will I get a black warn? See, it's all future questions. Okay, let me ask it a personal questions. Let me think. Is my baby sister 1?
Yes.
No, Gianna, you're 3. Okay, it's getting it wrong now. Do I have a pet squirrel? It's not answering my question. Are you awesome?
Yes.
Exactly, you're clueless. Are you clueless?
I said yes.
No way. No way. Am I better than you?
Yes.
Wow. Am I awesome?
Yes.
I hate this mirror. My sister keeps answering questions. Gianna, I'm not asking you. Will I have a black long one day? Yeah, I didn't think so. I love you too, Gianna. Are you an idiot?
No.
Gianna, I'm not talking to you.
Yes, guys.
Do I have am I part German?
Yes.
Yeah, I am, you liar. I'm part German. Stupid. Yep. Okay, so that it doesn't creep me out anymore. So it got something wrong. I'm not talking to you, stupid. I mean, baby sister of mine that I love so much. I didn't call you stupid. I called the mirror stupid. Because it was tripping me out because it was kind of getting everything out right, but yeah. I'm part German, you piece of mirror shatter thingies. But I'm gonna keep asking it questions. Am I American?
No.
What? Yeah, I am.
Yes, you are.
Am I better than you? Wise. Okay. I'm magic mirror. Kind of trippy. You know what I mean? But yeah. I just wanted to mess around with that today. Ew, go throw that away. Well, I appreciate you guys watching. Thank you, thank you. I want to do another giveaway for some of my spikes that I got. I need your guys' support in the comments to tell me whether I should do it or not. So, yep. Bye.